So we've just arrived at Five Sisters Zoo, and how cool are the lights? That's amazing, isn't it?
Look at the chandeliers.
Aye, they're cool. And we've got a wee special guest here with us.
We're multiplying.
We are multiplying.
This is
Well,
Olivia.
aye, this is Ollie, by the way. How cool is this? You want? I don't know if you would get that in your.
I'll put it in my bedroom.
It's cool, isn't it?
I think your mum would like one in the garden.
And it's had monkeys on it.
This is amazing. I love this. So I thought it radish or a beetroot or something like that, isn't it? Here's, I think, the main entrance building. How cool is that? It's
I
cool.
think we should do that to our house.
No chance. What do you think?
Yeah.
Get your mum to do that at your house?
I wouldn't go to sleep though.
So I just came across these Dwarf Crocodiles. Look at that. How tiny are their wee,
The
wee faces? Well, 5 feet.
The African Dwarf Crocodile is one of the smallest crocodile species. Habitat location individuals are found in rainforests, swamps and smoky rivers of West Africa.
Soon they'll be the size of used to and they'll just eat you. And we've got a rhinoceros iguana, is it? How cool is he?
Maybe it's
Very
like
majestic.
He looks cool.
He's got some tortoise friends as well.
So we've just came from there, walked round the otters. I just wanted to show you the lights here. They're like sort of big butterflies, look pretty cool. We've got a cool wee porcupine here
I watched it
underneath these lights.
lions were trying
He just gave himself a play.
and lions were trying to eat it, but it
Oh, with the spine.
that wasn't here the last.
He's cool, man. It's quite chunky, isn't he?
I like his wee haircut.
The monkey bit makes it look like an arcade actually, doesn't it? Looks pretty cool. Can't really see much in, can you? But it looks cool. I like the lights on it. Just wanted to show you all this. This is basically like the centre with the fairground rides, and then you've got Santa over there with all the kids. That's brilliant looking, isn't it? This is so cool. How cracking are these lights here, girls? Aren't they? Look at all in front of us as well. That's brilliant.
Because it wasn't Christmas when we came, I think it was.
Last time we came they had these lights but they weren't like up like this, but it's cool. The deer's cool as well, isn't it? Do you reckon you could get on that? Right, Natalie, gear up, auntie. It's cool, isn't it? That could be the horse you were talking about earlier. It's just plastic. It's cool, man.
I don't know how to explain it, but
Look at all that out there too. It's cracking. So just here there's a heated area and bar as well. You can go in, get drinks, and I think there's some food and stuff in there.
we had, when we came, we had like, we got pizza, I think it was here, we had pizza, and we were over the other side of that.
Right, that's pretty cool.
And because it was nice and
Was it?
warm, so like, we just there.
Cool.
And me and Neil sat on the polar bear and
Did you?
there were statues of goats.
Right.
There were statues.
That's good. It's like, I hope you didn't sit in the actual polar bear.
Are you in the golden compass?
But like you could sit in the middle. No, I think you could sit. Well, I think it had its paw. So I think you could sit on its paw.
Right,
and
right. The real polar bear?
No.
Okay, I think he would eat you, wouldn't he?
Unless I was nice.
Just a wee bit here, you can go down and see the reindeer, but you can't see them tonight because
Are you allowed to go down there? Or is that just?
they're under supervision. We've just got a big massive fire here to heat ourselves up. And then check this out. I don't even know what to call this. It's like a wee village, isn't it? It's cool. How cool is the tree? He's cracking, isn't he?
This way then, one up.
Taylor went in that one.
That's cool, man. And the mushrooms cool, man. Oh, the nutcrackers are crazy. I like the hearts in there.
Nutcrackers, and I wanted to buy them.
Oh, check out the horse. See it? Oh, unicorn, sorry.
That was made of mushroom.
I need to get it right, eh? And then there's a fairy tower. The mushrooms are cool. Oh, aye. They are very creepy, man.
I'm terrified by them.
Aye, the cow one's cool, isn't it? These are crazy. I like this thing here with the bones and all that, isn't it? It's so weird looking. It's, I don't know what to think. It's like a pure crazy.
I like the deer.
Like an abandoned like
the inside of like Twisty's mind or something like
a dystopian.
that. It's cool, man.
situation. There's a random shoe in there. What?
Strange, isn't it? I like the wee house is cool and all, man.
Look at this gingerbread.
Oh aye. Check this, Ollie. Look at them all up there.
Wow. We've gone
Ollie,
in there.
look at this.
That's cool.
It's cool, isn't it?
Look at the big teddy.
Aye, the
They've
teddy's
gone in.
brilliant. How cool is this wee bike?
It's a big bike.
That's cool, isn't it?
It's like a rickshaw.
And Ollie was saying she's scared of this bit because there might be somebody down there in the well. Going to just take you into this wee, I think it's a castle. Is it scary in here?
Not really, but there's a dog.
Oh, it is a bit weird, isn't it? Look. Oh, they are creepy. Imagine one of their heads just turned. Look at it, man. These lights are mental. We're just coming round to the Bales, and this is a quiet zone. And hopefully we might see one, but I'm not sure. We didn't see them last time, but this is a cool lantern they've got out.
It's a bit like the lanterns we saw at Edinburgh Zoo, remember?
It is. Aye, that's right, aye. I don't think we're going to see the bears tonight. I think they might be in sleeping.
The European brown bear.
Oh, so they are.
Oh,
Look at the size of them.
a big teddy there, but I probably wouldn't give it a cuddle.
No, I wouldn't cuddle it. How cool are the lights here? These are pretty cool. And look at these trees down here as well. What do you think of the trees then, girls?
They didn't have. They should have decorated the ones at the reindeer.
Ah, that's right, actually.
These ones,
I know.
They haven't decorated.
Aye, they're cool. Look, we could grab that one there because it's not stuck down. We could put it in a car, get it home.
That's the roof.
It's cool, isn't it?
Second headlight.
So we've just come down to the snow leopard bit, and it's a cool wee walk just down here. Olivia's over there reading some information because she's like Natalie and likes reading stuff, and I don't. And then down here, there's all the water that's cool, and then the snow leopard's enclosure is up here. But unfortunately, don't see the snow leopards tonight. Don't know if they're maybe just indoors. They did say that they can't promise the animals can't come out. And we're leaving Olivia. We're hoping that family that keeps shouting her name is going to take her.
I thought you were going with the other one. They keep
Aye.
running.
But we've just got lanterns here, which is pretty cool, of the snow leopards.
I don't even go
They're cracking. And I've just got us cracking me a bit here. We think the snow leopards might be in here, but we're not sure. If I do see them, obviously we'll show you them, but I don't see them out. It's maybe a bit late for them. It's got a wee bit here, like sort of a Christmas garden. It's cool. Look at this. This wee bit through here called the secret garden. Got all the trees and everything. Ollie getting her picture taken. Go through this way, through the secret garden.
I know why the fire pits in there. You can roast marshmallows.
Oh, there's marshmallows.
Yeah, over the, well, maybe not all of them, but that one you can roast marshmallows over there. The ranger's nice.
It's cool, isn't it? That one there. There's a few there at the back, see them?
They're quite scary. I don't know if you've ever seen Doctor
I think
Who. Don't blink.
the one they got, they asked them to ask the one they got through the man, and the one they got.
A cool wee bird cage just through the middle there, if you can see it. I'm not too sure what these things are, but a wee waterfall. And a wee cowboy guy with his Christmas lights on.
I'm coming.
This is cool. And just down there, that's where we were just a wee minute ago. I like this wee bit. It's a crack wee walk. And then just at the other side of the secret garden is some more Christmas trees. It's cool. The whole place is amazing. Actually, there's a big trail bit through there as well we'll need to take you. We're just like, working our way back from... The bears are actually just up here. The snow leopards are down here because we went down the bottom bit and then we realised that we missed out all these lights. We've still got to show you all the shows and all that we showed you a minute ago as well. But honestly, this is cracking. It's well worth it. Personally, I would say it's better than the Edinburgh Zoo lights we went and seen. Just come across these wee ponds with the waterworks is cool. It's like a wee pagoda here as well. I'll show you in a second. How cool is that? And then just through here, I'm wondering if I can walk through. I think I can. This wee tree's cool as well. I've lost Ollie and Natalie again. They're away back here somewhere. I don't know what they're up to, but they've left me. So I'm just going to keep wandering this way. It's cool through here. Oh, this is pretty cool. I'm not really too sure what this is. I don't know if this is the pagoda, but whatever it is, it's cool. Like I said, there's more lights. There's down there, there's ones up there, and then there's more going that way. So we've still got to go through all of them. There's still quite a lot to go through and see. In this big cage here is the lions. So we came from here, went down the way, and now, like you can see the big sign there saying lions. I think we're going to go up and round, and then we'll show you the shows as well. But it was really quite busy, so I don't know how much I'll be able to show you. There was a lot of kids and that about. So just at the start of the lions here, we've got a cracking big lion. I mean, I don't know how I had to even say that, because you can clearly see it's a big lion, but you know what I mean? It's cool.
It's not a dog.
Is that a penguin?
Is this a flamingo?
It's a Simba. Giraffes are cool, aren't they? You can ride a giraffe to school. What size is it?
Bend its leg.
Get it to bend down.
Like the horses bend its leg up and then stand on its leg.
That's cool, man.
There's rabbits running about in there. Do you see them?
Is there?
There's wee
I didn't even see them. They're cool then, but aren't they?
Oh, the mum was kind of scary, isn't it?
Big elephant and all that. Look at these cool Alice in Wonderland.
Some of them look like cupcakes.
Was that Cupcake there? Is that where they went?
Cupcake had
Look at that big
brown
heat.
spot, and she had wee brown, no, grey spots of it.
This is cool, eh? More of the Mad Hatter's tea party, isn't it? It's pretty cool actually.
Oh, look, it's Tweedledum and Tweedledee.
Aye, yeah, cool. Well, there you go, you can sit in the seat. No? She's like, no doing it. There you go. You can be the queen for the day. No, you're not doing it?
They are a bit scary, look at that one.
I know they are. So we're just in at the fun fair bit now, get this big slide. You've got a merry-go-round just behind it, and just here there's a smaller merry-go-round, but we're not really wanting to film because there's like too many kids in here. So we're just at the exit, and how cool is this?
They are really
Huge.
They are cool, aren't they?
They're massive.
And then we've got all these lights here. I'm not too sure what this bit is over here. We'll go and have a look. It says Merry Christmas. It looks as if it might be a wee maze or something. I'm not too sure. We're just going to go walk into Santa's grotto. I don't know if we're supposed to be in here, but how cool is this, man?
They'll get washed.
This is cracking, isn't it? So bright and all.
Oh wow, these so many really cool. Oh, look at this little one.
And then obviously the fake snow on the ground. Looks cool, and it just ends here. Look at that. Right guys, that's us now finished at the zoo, and oh, he's flinging stuff about in the back there. What did you think of it then, girls?
Enjoyed it.
I had a
was
great
brilliant.
time, yeah, the lights
Aye.
were so good and you could see
I
some
went
of
to
the
Glasgow,
animals.
but I've never went to one in the zoo.
Would you say that that was better than Glasgow?
Equal.
Equal? There you go.
Because you've seen some of the videos.
Aye, they were cool, man. But that was good. I thought that was better than the Edinburgh Zoo, although Edinburgh Zoo was obviously good.
Yeah.
I've never went to Edinburgh Zoo, so I don't know.
Aye, we need to go there, man. It's really, really good. But that was good. What was your favourite bit then, Ollie?
I don't know.
Not too sure. Just all of it. That's,
The chandeliers, like lights, are my favourite. I love the chandeliers.
they were
look
cool.
so good.
it'd have been good if we seen more animals, but we did get to see some more. And then Ollie was protecting Natalie from the owls because
you
Natalie's
just
feared them. Aye, and I just walked. I just left her.
Care.
No, exactly.
He doesn't care. if I
There's
get
a really pretty
traumatised.
white one though at the kind of roughly at the end.
Aye, that was the snowy owl. Aye, that was cool.
I think
wasn't
The
it?
one from Harry Potter.
The wrong describing words there for an owl.
No, it was cool. So to go around the
Scottish
trail, the cats were cool, weren't they? The wild cats. To go around the trail, it took us about just over an hour, which is quite good. Obviously there's food stuff and all that. I never really showed you that stuff because there was a lot of like kids and families and all that kicking about. But aye,
Pizza.
there was pizza, looked good. There was donuts we could smell, but I didn't actually see any.
Me and my sister and my mum and your brother, and we went before without the Christmas lights and we got pizza.
Was it good? Aye, dynamite. Did you get a full pizza or a slice?
We got a full pizza, I'm sure, and we just split it.
There you go, man. That's good.
It looked good.
It did look
Yeah,
good.
A few pizzas.
Smelled good as well.
Aye.
I think it
So,
smelled donuts, but...
aye, we smelled donuts,
didn't-
but we didn't really see them, did we?
Oh, you
No.
could smell them really strong walking up to the food pit, and then when we got there, you
Arctic
could see
Wolves
any.
enclosure to be
I
exact.
know. So, that's been us then, guys. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Hopefully, we'll bring Ollie and we'll get our sister out next time as well.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Ollie's not paying attention. You saying bye bye, Ollie?
Bye!
See you later.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. Bye bye.